In this video, we are unboxing the Reolink Argus 2E wire-free IP camera, showing you how to install and set it up in minutes. When you open the box, you'll find your Argus 2E camera and other parts that help install and use it right away. Argus 2E is a 100% wire-free battery and solar-powered camera over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, coming with a rechargeable battery of 5,200 mAh. It works anywhere within Wi-Fi range and no wiring hassles. Boasting a 2-megapixel CMOS sensor, it delivers crystal and sharp images and videos in 1080p Full HD day and night, 120-degree wide viewing angle to protect larger areas, IP65 certified weatherproof, working indoors and outdoors, rain or shine, built-in mic and speaker for two-way audio, micro SD card socket supporting up to 128 gigabytes local storage for motion clips. Argus 2E works wire-free or plugged in. You can plug it in for unlimited power supply, or it will work completely wire-free. To set up Argus 2E, turn on the camera switch. Open the Reolink app. Tap the Add Device button and scan the QR code on the camera. Follow the in-app instructions to finish the initial setup.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
Put the camera on table, bookshelf, bedside cabinet, or wherever you put things in your home with a stand bracket provided to keep an eye on your baby, check out what your pet is doing, and so on. To install the camera on the wall, follow the really easy steps. Put the mounting template on the wall to help with the installation. Drill holes and screw the back plate to the wall at the indicated locations. Attach the other part of the bracket to the plate and turn it clockwise to lock it firmly. Screw the camera to the mounting bracket and lock it in position. If you are mounting Argus 2E to a tree, please use the strap instead. Thread the loop strap through the slots and fasten the strap. For a better image or video performance, please avoid facing the Argus 2E directly to sunlight or glass windows. Also, avoid mounting it in places where are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using Reolink Argus 2E, visit support.reolink.com.